My dear. Good evening. How are you? I hope you will be good. Today, I am teaching about 20 MCQ question. First question: Force is a push आर ए। तो ऑप्शन ए कह रहा है पुल, ऑप्शन बी कह रहा है जंप, ऑप्शन सी कह रहा है फॉल, ऑप्शन डी कह रहा है रोटेशन। तो यहां पर बता दें कि यहां पर क्या होगा प्यारे बच्चों कि फोर्स इज ए पुश आर ए पुल होगा। क्या होगा? आइए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखें। तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज the SI unit of the force is ऑप्शन ए कर रहा है जूल, ऑप्शन बी कर रहा है न्यूटन, ऑप्शन सी कर रहा है वाट, ऑप्शन डी कर रहा है किलोग्राम। तो प्यारे बच्चों, जो जूल है वह वर्क का है। किसका है? वर्क का। जो किलोग्राम है यह मास का है। किसका है? मास का। जो वाट है यह आपका पावर का है, और जो न्यूटन है यही आपका फोर्स का है। किसका है? फोर्स का है। तो इस प्रकार द एसआई यूनिट ऑफ द फोर्स इज न्यूटन होगा। नाउ वी सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। विशेष कहाँ भाग जाता है? ये कहे वहां भगा देते हैं। Now the question number 30, a force can change option A shape of the body, option B direction of the motion, option C speed of the body, option D all of these. So by a force we can change shape of the body, direction of the motion, the speed of the body. So all option is right. So we say option D is correct. Question number 4. Balanced force produce option A motion, option B change in speed, option C no change in motion, option C rotation. So the answer will be no change in motion. Balanced force produce no change in motion. Question number 5. Unbalanced force causes no change in motion, change in state of motion, change in color, change in temperature. So their answer will be change in the state of motion. So option B is correct. Answer B is correct. Now we see the question number 6. The force that oppose motion is option A gravitational force, option B magnetic force, option C frictional force, option D electrostatic force. The answer will be frictional force. Now we see question number 7. Inertia is referred to state of the rest only, state of the motion only, tendency to resistance change in the state of the motion, force applied. So the answer will be tendency to resistance change in the state of motion. So answer will be C. Now question number 7. Inertia depends on option A mass, Option B, safe. Option C, color. Option D, temperature. So inertia depends on the mass of the body. Now question number 9. The SI unit of mass is, तो यहाँ हमको बताना है मास का, द्रव्यमान का एसआई यूनिट। तो ऑप्शन ए ग्राम, ऑप्शन बी किलोग्राम, ऑप्शन सी न्यूटन, ऑप्शन डी मीटर। तो ऑप्शन विल बी इज करेक्ट, kilogram. The SI unit of mass is kilogram. Now we see question number 10. The force which pull object toward the earth is called option A frictional force, option B gravitational force, option C magnetic force, option D contact force. Now we see the answer will be the gravitational force. Option will be gravitational force. Now we see question number 11. Newton's first law of motion is also known as first law of energy, second law of inertia, third law of momentum, fourth law of the work. So now we can see the Newton first law of motion is also known as the law of inertia. So option will be B is correct. Now we see question number 12. Who gave the law of motion? Who gave the law of motion? Option A Einstein, option B Newton, option C Galileo, option C D Pascal. The answer will be the second B. The who gave the law of motion? So we say Newton gave the law of motion. Now we see the question number 13. Acceleration is caused by, acceleration is caused by option A balanced force, option B unbalanced force, option C both A and B, option D no force. Here answer will be unbalanced force. So option B is correct. Now we see question number 14. Acceleration is option A change in position, option B change in velocity per unit time, option C change in direction only, option D motion in the straight line. So the answer will be change in velocity per unit time. Acceleration is change in velocity per unit time. That is called acceleration. Now we see question number 15. When a moving bus stops, passengers move forward because of option A due to gravity, option B due to inertia of motion, due to friction, due to air pressure. So the answer will be inertia of the motion. Cause will be inertia of the motion. So when a moving bus stops, passenger moves forward because of inertia of motion. Now we see question number 16. Friction is always option A in the direction of the motion, option B opposite to the direction of motion, upward, option D downward. The correct answer will be B is correct. Friction is always opposite the direction of the motion. So answer will be B is correct. Now we see question number 17. Force acting on an area gauge. Option A pressure, option B work, option C energy, option D momentum. So now we can see force acting on an area gives the pressure. So option A is correct. Now we see question number 18. If net force on a body is zero, its acceleration is maximum, minimum, zero, constant. Answer will be zero. If the net force on acting a body is zero, the net acceleration will be zero. So option C will be correct. Now we see the question number 19. More the mass of body, more is its. Option A speed, option B inertia, option C pressure, ऑप्शन डी डेंसिटी. यहाँ पर डेंसिटी होगा तो आंसर विल बी करेक्ट इनर्शिया. ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. नाउ वी सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 20. The force of attraction between any two objects in the universe is called. कह रहा है the force of attraction between any two objects in the universe is called magnetic force. Option B gravitational force. Option C electrostatic force. Option D nuclear force. Answer will be B is correct, gravitational force. So thank you so much nice. If video is good, like, share and subscribe in your friend. Thank you so much nice.